Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned and get notified for the new updates. And today I'm going to show you how to market your YouTube channel. The first thing you need to consider here is optimizing videos to drive traffic. The goal of your videos should be to send viewers to your website to learn more about your products and services. If you have an educational video, provide tons of the value, but leave the comment hanging a little. Tell them something like, "We teach you in more detail on our website. Visit your website.com to learn more." That's the way you are convincing them. If you don't have any other offer yet, send viewers to your other channel or other videos or other channels anywhere else there. Send them to video that complements the one they just watched. And number 2, buy advertising. Analyze your YouTube analytics and pick a video that is performing very well. Ideally, pick the one video that is getting you lots of subscribers. If you have one that is converting well, purchase YouTube ads which will allow you to show up for exactly what people are searching for. Alternatively, you can reach out big accounts in your niche and ask for their promotional rate. For a certain price, they will tell you their audience to subscribe your page. Number 3, post your videos on Facebook. YouTube and Facebook are big competitors, and they both have a giant user base. The easiest way and cheapest to boost your marketing efforts is by posting videos natively onto Facebook. For an extra 5 to 10 minutes, you can upload video on both platforms and get more visibility. You can also take this step further by shortening your clips for Instagram. You'll be discovered much more often if you consistently across various platforms. Number 4, collaborate. By reaching out to other creators in your niche, you can make collaborative videos. With this strategy, you get access to the completely new audience, and they will discover your channel. Consistently collaborating allows you to make more videos, grow organically, and build your network without spending a ton of money on a campaign. And that's all about today. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe, leave a comment on the comment section below, and let us meet in the next lesson. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.